Good morning, sir. My name is Bharat, and my topic is Principle and Applications of IR Spectroscopy. Introduction to IR Spectroscopy. Infrared. Infrared spectroscopy is a technique used to analyze the chemical bonds present in a sample. It measures the absorption of infrared radiation by the sample, providing information about its molecular structure. IR spectroscopy is based on the principle that different functional groups observe specific frequencies of IR light. Principle of IR spectroscopy. When IR radiation passes through a sample, certain bonds within the molecules will observe the energy at specific frequencies. These observed frequencies are characteristic of types of bonds present in the molecule. By measuring the observed IR radiation, a spectrum can be obtained which serves as a fingerprint of the molecule. Applications and IR spectroscopy in organic chemistry. IR spectroscopy is commonly used in the organic chemistry to identify functional groups in organic compounds. It can distinguish between different types of bonds such as CH bond, C double bond O bond, OH, NH, and more like that. IR spectroscopy is valuable in determining the structure and purity of organic compounds. Applications of IR spectroscopy in parametrical industries. In the parametrical industries, IR spectroscopy is used for the analysis of drug companies and compounds, formulations, etc. It helps in the quality control, identification of unknown compounds, and monitoring of chemical reactions. IR spectroscopy can detect impurities in drug substances and ensure the safety and efficiency of parametrical products. Applications and IR spectroscopy in environmental sciences. IR spectroscopy is employed in environmental sciences for the analysis of populations in pollutions in air, water, and soil samples. It can identify and quantify containing such as hydrocarbons, pesticides, and heavy metals. IR spectroscopy aids in monitoring environmental pollution level and assuming the impact of human activities on the environment. Applications of IR spectroscopy in forensic science. Forensic scientists use IR spectroscopy to analyze trace evidence controlled by collected from crime scenes. It can help identify unknown substances such as drugs, explosives, and fibers. IR spectroscopy is crucial in forensic investigations to provide valuable evidence for solving criminal cases. Advantages of IR spectroscopy. IR spectroscopy is a non destructive and rapid technique that requires minimum sample preparation. It, um, it provides valuable information about the chemical structure of a sample. IR spectroscopy is where and can be applied to a wide range of industries including pharmaceuticals, environmental science, and forensics. Conclusion. In conclusion, IR spectroscopy is a powerful analytic tool for the identification of characterization and of molecules. Its applications are diverse, ranging from organic chemistry to environmental science and forensic investigations. By understanding the principle of IR spectroscopy and its applications. Researchers and scientists can utilize this technique to advance their fields of study. And thank you, sir.